Living in a clean, organized home isn't about doing huge deep cleans every weekend. It's about tiny daily habits that make a big difference over time. Here are 9 simple habits I use every day to keep my home calm, clutter-free, and easy to manage without feeling overwhelmed. Number 1. Make the bed every morning. It takes under 2 minutes, but it sets the tone for your entire day. A made bed instantly makes your room look neater and encourages you to stay tidy. Number 2. Never leave a room empty-handed. If you're walking to another room, bring something with you. A cup, a stray sock, a piece of mail. These tiny resets add up fast. Number 3. Do a 5-minute nightly reset. Before bed, take just 5 minutes to clear countertops, fluff cushions, and tidy the living area. It's quick, calming, and makes the next morning feel so much easier. Number 4. Keep counters clear. Visual clutter creates mental clutter. Try to keep kitchen and bathroom counters as clear as possible, only the essentials stay out. Number 5. Sort mail immediately. Don't let paper piles grow. Open mail the day it arrives. Toss junk, file important items, and keep only what you need right away. Number 6. Wipe as you go. Spills, crumbs, toothpaste, clean them up immediately. This habit takes seconds but prevents hours of scrubbing later. Number 7. 1 in, 1 out rule. Bring something new in? Get rid of something old. It keeps drawers, closets, and cabinets from silently overflowing. Number 8. Keep a donation box handy. Have a basket or bin in a closet for items you no longer use. When it's full, donate it. This keeps decluttering consistent and stress-free. Number 9. End the day with clean dishes. No matter how tired I am, I always run the dishwasher or wash up before bed. Waking up to a clean sink sets the tone for a productive day. These tiny habits don't take much time, but they keep my home clean without the chaos. Try adding just 1 this week and build from there. And if you found this helpful, subscribe for more real-life home tips that actually work. Because a peaceful home starts with simple, consistent habits.